Altair, line chart with stroked point markers. I'm trying to create a line chart with point markers in Altair. I'm using the multi-series line chart example from Altair's documentation and trying to combine it with the line chart with stroked point markers example from vega-lite's documentation. Where I'm confused is how to handle the mark_line argument. From the Vega example, I need use point and then set fill to false. How would I apply that in Altair? I figured out that setting point to true or added a point marker, but confused on how to get the fill to work.
You can always pass a raw vega-lite dig to any property in Altair. Or you can check the docstring of mark_line and see that it expects point to be an overlay mark def and use the Python wrappers.
You can pass further information to the point parameter similar to how the vega-lite is specified.